Every single day, millions of fish arrive here from the open sea, beginning a journey most people never see.
Freshness is measured in minutes, and the first signs are always visible to the trained eye.
Once inside the facility, volume becomes the real challenge. Across facilities like this, the numbers are almost hard to imagine.
But what happens before they reach your plate?
Most fish arrive already chilled, transported under strict temperature control from sea to factory.
Every batch is weighed the moment it enters the system, setting the foundation for yield, pricing, and process control.
Before any cutting begins, each fish must be correctly identified, a step that determines everything that follows.
Optical systems analyze color and surface detail faster than the human eye ever could. Size grading ensures every fish moves through the factory at the correct pace and process.
A single mistake here can ruin tons of fish.
Even with automation, trained hands still play a critical role in judging freshness.
These ice baths slow biological activity, buying time without sacrificing quality. Temperature control is monitored every second because even a small deviation can change the outcome.
Hygiene checks are enforced at every entry point to protect the product and the process.
Synchronization keeps thousands of moving parts working as one continuous system. When volume spikes, overflow systems step in to protect both speed and quality.
Speed calibration ensures every fish arrives at the next stage exactly when it should.
Backup cold storage keeps the operation flexible when production needs to pause or adjust. Every movement is tracked in real time, keeping the entire process under constant supervision. The first wash removes surface contamination before any further handling begins. A controlled saltwater rinse stabilizes the surface and prepares the fish for mechanical cleaning. Rotating drums remove scales efficiently while protecting the flesh underneath. Each scale must be removed without damaging the skin beneath. Waste is separated immediately, keeping the line clean and preventing contamination downstream.
This water alone decides the final taste.
Ultraviolet treatment neutralizes microorganisms without adding any chemicals.
Recycled water is filtered in stages to meet the same standards as fresh supply.
Chemical-free sanitation reduces microbial risk without altering flavor or texture.
Sensor-based monitoring detects contamination before it becomes a problem.
Final manual checks confirm that cleaning standards have been met.
Surface moisture is reduced to prepare the fish for precise cutting.
Moisture control prevents slippage and ensures accuracy in the next stage.
Filtered airflow reduces airborne bacteria just before cutting begins.
With cleaning complete, the fish are now ready for cutting. Before the first cut, each fish must be positioned with absolute precision.
Blades are calibrated continuously to maintain accuracy down to fractions of a millimeter.
The first incision sets the standard for every cut that follows. Head removal is timed precisely to maintain speed without compromising yield. Internal cleaning must be fast, thorough, and perfectly synchronized with the line. One blade, thousands of perfect cuts per hour. Fillet separation follows the natural structure of the fish to maximize yield. Bone detection systems identify even the smallest remnants invisible to the eye. Once detected, bones are removed mechanically to protect texture and shape.
Byproducts are redirected immediately, keeping the fillet line fully isolated.
Human trimming refines what machines cannot, correcting minor variations with experience.
Uniform sizing keeps portions consistent across millions of servings.
Visual inspection removes defects that could affect appearance or quality.
As precision is confirmed, the system increases speed without losing control.
Parallel lines allow thousands of fillets to be processed at the same time.
The same equipment adapts instantly to different species without slowing production. Emergency stops are tested constantly to ensure safety without disrupting the entire line. Precision at this scale depends on consistency, not force. Precise transfers keep momentum without introducing errors.
After cutting, multiple lines reunite into a single controlled flow.
Built-in buffers allow the system to pause and recover without stopping production. Final adjustments ensure every fillet meets the same visual and dimensional standard. Before washing begins, every cut is verified one final time. After cutting is complete, the fillets move directly into final washing. Final washing begins in a controlled environment designed to remove every remaining trace. Gentle motion ensures thorough cleaning without damaging delicate flesh. Targeted rinsing removes blood residues that affect both appearance and shelf life. Foam skimmers remove surface residue before it can recirculate.
Drip drying removes excess water before quality inspection begins.
Clean doesn't always mean safe. Metal detection protects consumers from hazards invisible to the eye. Advanced imaging checks for parasites that cannot be detected from the surface.
Texture scanners convert firmness and structure before approval.
Color grading ensures visual consistency long before packaging.
Random sampling adds an extra layer of verification beyond automated checks.
Protein integrity tests confirm the fillet's structure has been preserved. Temperature confirmation ensures safety has been maintained throughout processing. Only after passing every check is the batch formally approved. Vacuum sealing removes air to slow spoilage and preserve freshness.
Oxygen removal is critical to slowing oxidation and bacterial growth.
Seal integrity testing ensures every package can survive transport and storage. Every package is marked for traceability from factory to consumer. This seal decides shelf life. Precise weighing ensures consistency across every package. Automatic tray loading maintains speed while preventing handling damage. Leak detection adds another safeguard before freezing begins. Barcodes link every tray to its production data, ensuring full traceability. Cold shock freezing locks in freshness by lowering temperature in seconds. Individual quick freezing preserves texture by freezing each portion evenly. Fast freezing creates small ice crystals, protecting the filet's natural structure. Continuous temperature monitoring ensures freezing stays within precise limits. After freezing, the product stabilizes before final packing.
Frozen packs are grouped and secured for transport in temperature-stable cartons.
Robotic palletizing ensures stability and consistency at export scale.
Stretch wrapping protects the load during long-distance transport. Export labeling ensures every pallet reaches the correct destination under the right conditions.
From here, products wait under strict temperature control until dispatch.
Cold storage on this scale allows production to continue without interruption. Every aisle is kept within a narrow temperature range to protect product quality. Automated inventory systems track every pallet, ensuring nothing is misplaced or delayed. First in, first out logic ensures older stock is shipped before newer production. Before loading, pallets are staged to maintain temperature and timing accuracy. Sealed loading bays protect the cold chain as products leave the facility. Careful loading keeps frozen products stable from warehouse to destination. Once sealed, temperature control is maintained continuously throughout transport. From factory floor to global supply chains, the cold chain remains unbroken.
Distribution begins as temperature-controlled transport carries products worldwide.
At distribution hubs, frozen products are redirected without breaking temperature control.
Automated sorting directs each shipment toward its final market.
Final verification ensures every shipment leaves under the correct conditions.
Regional loading completes the final stage before delivery.
From here, frozen products move efficiently toward retailers and food service networks.
At retail distribution centers, shipments are prepared for individual stores.
Final preparation tailors each load to the needs of individual stores. Short-haul refrigerated delivery completes the journey to local stores. Even at the store level, temperature control remains a priority. Cold storage at the store preserves product quality until it reaches the customer.
Entrance. Stock rotation at the store level ensures freshness is maintained until sale.
Once on display, frozen products remain protected until the moment of purchase.
The cold chain holds until the product leaves the store.
From production to purchase, temperature control is never left to chance.
The cold chain ends only when the product reaches home.